Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to do seamless Instagram posts. Let's go straight to it. First, you're gonna open up Lightroom. And from there, you're gonna import your photo, you're gonna edit it, and then you're gonna open it up in Photoshop. From Photoshop, you're gonna pick up your slice tool, you're gonna slice the picture up in two, and then you're gonna go up to File, and then you're gonna say Export and say Save for Web. From this dialog box, it's important that we choose the correct settings. First, we're gonna choose JPEG, and we're gonna pick up Quality 100. And it's important that we choose it on both slices. From there, we're gonna go down and type in the height, 1350, which is the Instagram maximum height. After that, we're gonna save it to the computer, transfer it to the phone. It's important you don't compress the photos when you transfer it to the phone. So I recommend using a cable to directly transfer the photos to your phone. After that, we're gonna go to the Instagram app. We're gonna open up Instagram, choose the two pictures, scale it down. We're gonna press next, and from there we can preview the pictures. And the line you see in the middle isn't gonna be in the final post, and I can just show you. From here we have our final post, so now you can do your seamless Instagram post. Type in the comment what your Instagram name is, and I would love to see your result. See you in the next one.